And welcome back to Wellness Wednesdays with RemedyNow Health and Aesthetics. Today, a treatment called Halo that uses targeted technology to address skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage, and uneven texture. It can get rid of age spots and revitalize a dull complexion. Dr. Danish Siddiqui and Anna Warren are here with RemedyNow. We're super excited to see you. Welcome back.
Glad to be here.
So Halo is called the heavenly treatment. Give us the basics. Why are you a fan of this?
So last time we discussed about the BBL, which is the high intensity pulses of light therapy. Here, this is the laser. So it uses erbium laser. It uses a fractional energy, which means microchannels or columns of energy delivered.
Okay.
Uses one wavelength, which is the ablative and non-ablative energy. And let me try and explain you in real terms. Ablative energy is like gently removing the surface, dull skin, damaged skin.
Okay.
And then the non-ablative has two components. It targets the pigment and it also induces collagen buildup. So removes the surface, dull, damaged skin and building up of collagen underneath within the skin. I think that is the most important thing.
So how long is it before you see results from the treatment?
Yeah, Anna is going to describe, but I think once the treatment is done, within 7 to 10 days, you start seeing the results.
Okay.
That continues for about 30 days. And the good thing is that this is one treatment where you continue to see the improvement for the next 3 to 6 months, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the patient experience like? So do you give people a numbing cream for this?
Yeah, so we will numb them topically for about 30 minutes prior. This just ensures that the treatment is comfortable. Then what they can expect during the treatment is we'll map their face so we get the appropriate amount of energy for them. During the treatment, they can feel a little bit of heat. It's very tolerable. It can last anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the severity, if they have acne scars, really bad texture. After the treatment, you can notice a little bit of a mild sunburn feeling, but that is manageable and it dissipates in about 2 hours.
Wow, that's quick. So there's really not much downtime.
Not much downtime at all. You will have a little bit of that swelling, a little bit of that mens, which is that coffee ground look.
Yep.
And that will gradually flake off in about a week, 10 days, like Dr. Siddiqui mentioned. And after that, your skin will just continue to improve.
That's great. I bet you have a lot of patients who are a big fan of this one.
They are, yeah. It's that once to twice a year treatment that just hits everything. The wrinkles, fine lines, texture, pigment, it's just everything.
It's so great that people can do a treatment like this, and to think you only have to have it maybe once or twice a year. As we look at these before and after results, tell us a little bit about, we've talked about it, but the different types of skin conditions you can treat where this Halo treatment is really effective.
So there are not too many treatments where you can target both the pigment issues and the texture issues. So sun damage, melasma, hyperpigmentation. Then the texture issues are big pores, fine wrinkles and lines, sun damage, acne scars. So we can customize this treatment as aggressive as we would want, depending on the clinical situation, and then treat deep acne scars as well. So you have a combination of treatment. There are not too many treatments available. And the interesting thing is that since it is fractional is columns of energy rather than the whole surface, is much more safer, less downtime versus traditional lasers. So I think that is the most important thing.
And is that what you would recommend, is to maybe consider it twice a year, especially if you want to get, does it work for rosacea also?
It does work for rosacea. It does the non-ablative laser wavelength, addresses rosacea and removes the surface epithelium so that the normal newer cells come up. So it certainly helps in rosacea as well. So any pigment issues. So once to twice, depending on the clinical condition. So for example, somebody has deep acne scars. So you may need to have more than two treatments.
Okay.
But versus someone who have a little bit of a pigment issue, fine wrinkles, since the effect lasts for about 3 to 6 months, you can have just twice in a year. That would be a great treatment. So it is one of those treatments which addresses both issues.
Yeah.
Both best of the both worlds.
Yeah. There are a lot of different skin treatments out there.
Yeah.
Why is this one that you would suggest to people if they're looking at, because I think a lot of people probably come in for a consult and they're not sure what type of treatment will address their issues.
So it's safe. It uses two energies. So it results in best of the two worlds, surface skin renewal, and underneath, it's like you're renovating a house. So you sand and paint to give you a newer, fresher look, but it also, what the non-ablative energy strengthens the foundation from within. So you have best of the two worlds, and resulting in a glowing skin once or twice a year of treatment. So I think that is very different. Not most of the treatments would give you that kind of results in one treatment.
Absolutely. It sounds great. You guys, thank you both so much for being here. Really appreciate it. And right now, RemedyNow Health and Aesthetics is offering the Halo Laser Resurfacing treatment for just $1,200. Normally it's $1,500, so that's a savings of $300. Just make sure that you mention the morning blend. RemedyNow is located in Oak Creek. You can call or text to make an appointment. Here's the phone number. It's 262-404-9003, or for more information or to book online, visit RemedyNowAesthetics.com.